Apple simplifies EU app. Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 12 p.m. Hormuz traffic slows as uncertainty over waterway persists. Shipping through the Strait of Hormuz showed on Tuesday. Preliminary shipping data showed on Wednesday as most ship owners avoided the key waterway because of the lack of clear signaling on the reopening. Edges up on uncertainty over exports through Hormuz. Oil prices ticked higher in early trade on Wednesday, climbing for a fourth straight days on supply uncertainty as investors weighed conflicting messages from Tehran and Washington on whether the Strait of Hormuz is open to ships. Iran's two ballistic missiles targeted maritime navigation, claims UAE. The UAE's Ministry of Defense announced the assessments revealed that the two ballistic missiles detected originating from Iran were targeting maritime navigation and fell into the sea. All trade, commercial exchange, financial transactions with Iran halted, UAE said. The Director of Strategic Communication Department at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Mofa Afral Hamili, rejected all allegations regarding the status of the economic relationship between the United Arab Emirates and Iran. Apple simplifies EU App Store terms with new commission structure for developers. Apple has announced a new set of App Store business terms for developers in the European Union, replacing its controversial core technology fee (CTF) with a revised commission structure. The changes follow discussions with the European Commission and are aimed at resolving Apple's disagreements with EU regulators over alternative app distribution and payment options. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.